Folks, this is Fat Guy Flies RC. We're out here at the Avon Park Field. We're going to take the e-flite tractor up again. And I always say, see what we can do. Well, how about seeing if you can fly the thing? How about that? So here we go. And my camera crew's, oh, I got my butt in the camera again. I got to stop doing that. But, you know, hey, butt. Of course, I need to get off the, get off the runway here. We're going to do takeoff flaps because the wind has stopped. And we're going to go off into the wild blue. I'll tell you what, this is about one of the easiest flying planes. I did fly it in safe a while ago. Took off and landed in safe. Did not like it at all. I'm just not used to safe. This is very much a scale bird. Now she's aerobatically capable, but I have a very loose, I do mean loose rule about flying scale planes. If it's a scale plane, I do what that plane I try to do what that plane does scale. You know, do I follow that 100% of the time? No. Just being honest, keeping it real, as they say. But you know, this is my, I don't know, 5th, 6th flight with this plane, and I'm so comfortable that I can narrate the entire time. I mean, there's a nice roll. Getting up kind of high, I know, sorry. Into the wind. All right, let's get her turned around here. And we're gonna see if we can't get ourselves a nice landing here.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Do a flat turn there. Get her level and lined up with the runway. Slightly off bottom throttle. When I say bottom throttle, I mean 0 throttle. And let's just go ahead and take off again. Now, as I get more proficient with this plane, of course, I'll do more maneuvers that I probably shouldn't do with it. There, oh man, doing a nice flat turn with this thing is no problem at all. All right. That was not a scale takeoff. That was a gun and go kind of takeoff. But I highly suggest, folks, whenever you're just getting new, you're learning that plane, you're developing that relationship with that plane, because it is a relationship in a way. You have to learn. Yeah, all right, that was there. That was a good good landing there. All right, we got takeoff flaps.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Flaps are all the way down. Get a nice flat turn here. Get it lined up with the runway the best I can. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. All right, takeoff flaps. Much more scale takeoff that time. All right, we're going to take her up. Show you that she does have a nice roll rate on her. I mean, she will do some stuff. Get her turned around here. Get her a nice, get a flight turn there, flat turn. Oh, we can do better than that. We're going to try that one more time. I'll get a little further out. Nice flat turn there. Not bad. Not bad at all. And yeah. Oh, I'm tailing some grass this time. I'm cutting grass, folks. I got a streamer. A very, very short streamer. All right, folks, we're getting wet. It's rain. All right, folks, that is the e-flite Air Tractor bind and fly version. Right now, I am running a Grayson Hobby 2600 4-cylinder right now. And other than that, she's bind and fly, so you can get the specs. You know, she's basically just like Jason Merkel at Horizon Hobbies described her as. She's a low-wing timber, and that is the best way to describe her, a low-wing timber. Folks, thank you for watching. This is Fat Guy Flies RC. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hug your family.